Dear students, in this video, let us see how to draw the development of a cylinder. The question goes like this. Draw the development of a cylinder with base diameter 40 mm and height 60 mm resting with its base on HP. Since the cylinder is resting with its base on HP, the top view will give the true shape. So let me draw the top view first. That is a circle with 40 mm diameter. Next, let us divide this circle into 8 equal parts. The two perpendicular lines divide it into 4. Now, these lines at 45 degrees divide the whole circle into 8 equal divisions. Next, naming the important points on the circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. To draw the front view, let us draw the projectors from the points on the top view. That is from 1, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, then a projector from 4 and 6, then finally a projector from point 5. From these projectors on the XY line, let us draw vertical lines to complete the front view of this cylinder. The front view of the cylinder will be a rectangle of height 60 mm and width 40 mm. As the cylinder has only a single curved surface, it will not have lateral edges, but there will be generators which are basically vertical lines from the important points on the base to the important points on the top face. So let us name these points on the front view as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash in bracket, 7 dash is also in the bracket, and 8 dash also comes in the bracket as they are hidden in the front view. In order to avoid confusion, I am naming the points on the top face also as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash and 8 dash. Next, let us draw the development of this cylinder. For that, I am extending the XY line. For that, simply draw a horizontal line as an extension of XY line. Okay, we'll take the length later. Now let us start from the first generator, that is 1 dash. Now the length of this line will be equal to the circumference of this circle, base circle. So that will be 1, 1. The circumference of the circle will be equal to the length of the line. So the length of this line 1, 1 will be equal to 2 pi into r, or also we can write pi into d. Now we know the diameter d is 40 mm, so pi into 40. This will be the length of the line 1, 1. And if you calculate it, you will get the value 125.6 millimeter. That is the length of this line 1, 1. Now let us draw all the generators. Before that, let me draw the generator 1, 1 and also the other generator 1, 1 at the other end. And now let us join the top points which completes the development of the cylinder. And you can see that the development of this cylinder is nothing but a rectangle whose length is perimeter or circumference of the base circle and height is height of the axis. In order to do the problems, we need to divide this line into 8 equal parts. So if you take it in a compass and mark it like this, you will not be able to get equal divisions because you are transferring an arc onto a straight line. So what we have to do is we need to make use of a diagonal scale. In order to draw that scale, let us draw a line at any angle. Okay, so I'm drawing a line at some angle and the length of the line is 80 mm because we have to divide this line into 8 equal divisions. So now I'm dividing my 80 mm inclined line into 8 equal parts with 10 mm. Next, let us join the ends of these two lines. Now, from each division on the inclined line, let us draw lines parallel to this line onto this line 1, 1. So like this, the line 1, 1 of length 125.6 will be now divided into equal parts with equal lengths. Since we have divided the line into 8 equal parts, let us draw the generators now. Now these generators should be drawn using thin lines. As they are not edges, we should draw it using thin lines. So here I have drawn a vertical line from 2 to the top edge. That point is also 2. So we have the generator 2, 2. Similarly, let us draw the other generators also. So I'm drawing the generator 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, and finally the 1, 1 line is already there. So this is the development of a cylinder. For the development to be complete, we need to mark all the important points on the development also. So I am marking all the generators from 1, 1, 2, 2 up to 8, 8 and 1, 1. So this rectangle will be the development of this cylinder. Alright, I am marking the length of this line also. It is 80 mm.